There is one specialty in Argentina that I would like to mention, and this is called Vino Patero. Vino Patero is often produced in very, very small quantities and is something that is very locally traded also. And Vino Patero, pata is the foot or the leg, and these are wines that are produced from grapes that were stamped by foot. So Vino Patero is really like the foot stamped or pressed wine. Vino Patero is often sweet and has a kind of cult status. And Vino Patero is really something that is often put to the table as a real specialty when you have visitors. And it's nothing that you can really buy in big supermarkets or shops. That's rather locally produced and is a kind of cult and insider wine. When talking about Argentina, wine and drinks, there is one drink that has to be mentioned, and this is Fernet. Fernet is a bitter, it's a strong alcohol, so it's a liquor with 40 volume alcohol, originally from Italy, and it is herb and plant and root infused. So it's a typical bitter. The base alcohol is distilled wine. So this is basically an infused brandy, and it is extremely popular in Argentina. Argentinians consume huge amounts of Fernet, and as a long drink mixed with Coca-Cola or other types of Coke, it is mostly the first drink that is offered when you're invited by neighbors or friends. For the Fernet production, the Argentinians need huge amounts of wine, which is then distilled into a quite neutral brandy, and then it is infused with roots, herbs, and other botanicals. Fernet has a very distinct bitter taste and a flavor that reminds of licorice mostly. For the production of the base brandy, which is then used to produce Fernet, we find the typical grape varieties that are also planted in Europe to produce brandy. For example, Uni Blanc, which is from the Cognac region and is nearly 100% turned into liquor, into grape brandy, but also grape varieties such as Pedro Ximénez are used for distillation.